Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Sun will stay in your sixth house till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Capricorn. Second house deal with your family history, your family lineage is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habits, your bank account, your savings in the form of money, in the form of jewelry, in the all form of saving in all form is seen from second house. And right now, second house Lord is moving in your sixth house. But one thing is very important to discuss here is that sixth, second, and 10th house is always connected to your money related matter, means your earnings. The money you earn from your work is seen from sixth, second, and 10th house. And right now, your second house Lord is moving in your sixth house. First of all, we can expect great result for your work related matter and your earning related matter, especially till 15th of January, because Sun is right now moving in your sixth house, and sixth house deal with your daily routines and your earning from your work. Sixth house also deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights. Your hidden enemies is seen from sixth house. Your acute diseases is seen from sixth house. Your loans is also seen from sixth house, and your conflict is also seen from sixth house. So till 15th of January, till Sun is moving in your sixth house, we can expect great result and opportunities, and things will turn into your favor if you're dealing with any court case, litigation, arguments, and competition in your life. After 15th of January, when Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Capricorn, then you need to be take care of your ego battles with your spouse and your business partnership if you have any business partnership in your life, because sixth house deal with your relationships in general, and Sun generally represent ego. And after 15th of January, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Capricorn. Also, if you are single right now, then we can expect great result. You will get great proposals in the month of January, especially after 15th of January, when Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Capricorn. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your third house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury is just moved from your fifth house to your sixth house after 6th January 2024. And Mercury will stay in your sixth house till the whole month of January. Third house will be your communication, your younger siblings, your efforts is seen from third house, and anything in your work, effort is seen from third house. Your hardworking ability to do hard work is also seen from third house. Your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is also seen from third house. Your hands, your handwriting, and all type of communication and your effort is seen from third house. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional network circle, your PR, your gains in life. It's all from 11th house. Gain in the form of money, in the form of respect, in the form of achievements. All of these things is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house and third house Lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house, as we discussed previously, sixth house will be your court case, litigation, argument, fights. And right now your third and 11th house Lord is moving in your sixth house. That's why we can expect great result and achievement in your competition and your court cases, as we discussed previously in Sun section, especially till 15th of January. Till Sun is also moving in your sixth house. Right now, Ketu is moving in your third house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. And Mercury is right now taking Ketu's energy in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. That's why we were saying you will get a lot of support in your competition, court case, litigation, because Mercury is taking naturally malefic energy from your third house to your sixth house, and sixth house deal with your hidden enemy, your court case, litigation. So Mercury will suppress the hurdles in your life in your sixth house due to Ketu is present in your Mercury's house in your third house. Mercury also controls your 11th house. 11th house Lord is right now moving in your sixth house, so you may have to face some arguments, some difference of point of view, some conflict with your friend circle and professional circle in the month of January, because right now your friend circle Lord is moving in the house of conflict. Also, if you are in loan right now, or if you need loans right now, then you will easily get loans in the month of January because 11th house Lord is moving in the house of loans. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 4th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Scorpio. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your foreign settlement is seen from 12th house, your jewelry related matter is also seen from 12th house, your long term investment is also seen from 12th house, your sleep pattern, your bedroom, your privacy is also seen from 12th house, from along with 4th house and 8th house. Fourth house deal with your home, your mother, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your mother's health, your property related matter, your vehicle, your conveniences in life. How much conveniences do you have in your life? How much comfort do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house and 12th house Lord is moving in your fifth house, and Venus will stay in your fifth house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move to your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Then we can expect great result regarding your mother's relationship, your mother's health, and your home related matter, because right now your fourth house Lord is moving second places away from itself. Also, if you have children right now, then we can expect great result for their education related matter if you want to send them to some foreign country for education purpose, because foreign settlement Lord is right now moving in your fifth house in the house of education, in the house of children. Also, we can expect your children a great result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life right now. Also, we can expect good result for your love relationship, your girlfriend boyfriend related matter, because from fifth house we also see your girlfriend boyfriend, your love relationship is seen from fifth house, your early education, your children, your mental abilities, your planning abilities also seen from fifth house. But you may have to face some lacking in your mental abilities till Venus is moving in your fifth house, because Venus controls your house of loss, house of expense, and right now house of Lord is moving in the house of mental abilities and planning abilities. After 19th of January, when Venus will move to your sixth house, then we can expect great result regarding your expenses and losses. You will able to pay your loans back if you want to pay your loan back in the month of January, because your 12th house Lord will be moving in your sixth house after 19th of January, and from sixth house Venus will also aspect your 12th house of expenses and house of losses. So there will be a loss, but that slot will be good for you because you will pay your loan back if you are in debt right now. If you're also after 19th of January, when your fourth house slot will be moving in your sixth house, you need to be take care of your relationship with your home members, because fourth house slot will be moving in your house of conflict after 19th of January. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of January for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Moon controls your first house, means Moon is your Ascendant Lord. And right now, your Ascendant Lord is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Libra. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of January. And on the basis of 6th January, we are predicting for whole month. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet in astrology. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mars will stay in your 6th house till the whole month of January. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your bosses, your superiors, how much authority you will have at your work is seen from 10th house, your fame is seen from 10th house, your nature of your work, how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house. 5th house, as we discussed previously, 5th house deals with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your early education till college life is seen from 5th house. So right now your 10th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Sagittarius. That's why we can expect great result for your work related matter, because as we discussed previously, right now your 2nd house Lord Sun also moving in your 6th house, and 2nd house and 10th house is always connected to your earnings and your work related matter. So we can expect great result for your earning and your work related matter in the month of January. Also, Jupiter is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aries, Mars house, and right now Mars is moving in your 6th house, taking Jupiter's energy, and Jupiter is also aspecting your 6th house from your 10th house. That's why we can expect great result for your work related matter, for your competition related matter, especially till 15th of January, till Sun is moving in your 6th house, because Sun, Mercury, and Mars is also receiving Jupiter's aspect from your 10th house to your 6th house. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of January 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.